Great.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
How y'all doing? Great. Wow. Oh. So I guess I'll be the first demo of the day.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah,
well, I guess.
So she's fresh. So I guess I get the one off for you.
This is insane, man. A lot of craftsmen in this, and you did all of it.
Yeah. No. It's this is John Nolte's bolt.
John. Oh,
Nolte.
yes, that's right. Yep. Yes.
I bought it
Wow.
for him, so it's all him.
So, enclosure, equipment, all of that, real quick, if you can.
4 NSV4, Sundown audio, 15s. This was a sound digital build.
Okay.
The 2 main amps, the 8800s, are out for repair. So I got a 2 tera amp, AKs.
Okay.
Bass. The rest is sound digital, mids and highs.
Yep. And it's illusional. Whoa, with the glass. That is awesome.
Yes.
Man. You're a low end monster if I remember right. Like how was your lows?
It plays 18 to 80.
18. Man, all right.
My personal preference is just it's low.
Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, I'd love a demo, man. That'd be great.
Absolutely.
That is awesome. You have a little what is it called?
Yeah, mechanical
tensioner.
Throttle. Yeah, mechanical throttle. It's acting up. It's acting a little funky.
Uh oh.
Get out of it. Yeah, something broke internally.
That's not good. Is it a louder window up or down normally with wind and all?
Down. I mean, unless you want to do a hair trick.
Hair trick, yeah, we would love a hair trick. Yeah, we haven't had very many hair tricks. That would be great.
Okay. Yeah.
I would love a hair trick. We're gonna hair trick. He's really good on the hair tricks.
I'll try.
Ready when you are, man. Wow. Yes, sir.
Tripping, fuck it, nigga, too simple. OG, Bobby, Josh. Hey, OG, Bobby, Josh.
You messed your hair up my head. I appreciate it, man. That was great. That's a good song.
It doesn't matter.
26 hertz.
Yeah.
That was clean.
That's where she peaks at.
That was really windy, like that pressure on that. Thank you, man. That was great.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
was nice.
What's your Instagram?
Mr. Loud.
Mr. Loud. All
Yeah,
right. I remember seeing you. All right. Thanks, Mr.
All right.
Loud.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Jacob.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations on the wedding.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, man. Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.